cactus, you're as charming as an eel. Mr. Grinch, you're a bad banana with a greasy black pea.
Before we get into this tutorial, I just wanted to remind you guys that I do have a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel right now. So if you want to enter, go ahead and look down in the description box below, and all the information will be the first thing in the description box, or you can stay tuned till the end of the video where I will go more in depth on the giveaway and how to enter. To start off this tutorial, I'm going in with my Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120, and I'm going to blend that out using my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just highlighting and concealing under my eyes, the tip of my chin, the bridge of my nose, and the center of my forehead. I'm also using the concealer to prime my eyelids.
Mr. Grinch, you're a nasty
and to set my face, I'm using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder, and I'm using a fluffy brush just to apply that all over my face.
The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote, stink, stank.
To start off this eye look, we're going in with the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade Social Blade on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm just going to work this shade into my crease using windshield wiper motions until I get the intensity that I would like. I've never used a green like this as my transition shade, but I really loved how this look turned out, and just adding the green as a transition shade compared to a brown just made all the difference in a colorful eye look like this. I'm using a Morphe M504 brush just to blend the crease shade out and make sure that there's no harsh lines and that the shade is very seamless and blended in my crease. The next shade I'm taking is the shade Daddy on a Morphe M513 brush, and I'm working this into my crease, but of course, like always, I'm still making sure that that lighter green is going to pop out, so I am making sure to work it low in my crease and blend it nicely together to get that nice ombre effect with the shade Social Blade. I'm going back in with the Morphe R37 brush and the shade Social Blade just to make sure that that shade is still there in the crease and that Social Blade and the shade Daddy are blending well. Then I'm going back in with the shade Daddy on my Morphe M513 brush to make sure that we didn't lose any color of that shade and to deepen it up. And then of course I'm going back in with the Morphe R37 brush, and it's basically just a lot of blending between those two shades and those two brushes. I'm taking translucent powder on a Morphe E47 brush to clean up the edge of the eyeshadow so everything's nice and precise and to act as a base to catch any fallout. Then I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the shade Enchanted on a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just going to work that onto my lid and right in the socket of my crease.
Mr. Grinch, you have termites in your smile. You nauseate me.
I'm going back in with the shade Daddy on my Morphe M513 brush to make sure that Enchanted and Daddy blend well together. And then I'm going in with my Morphe R37 brush, then back with the E17 brush to deepen up the shade Enchanted. It's just a back and forth between all of the brushes, but that's really what helps make these eyeshadow looks look very blended and seamless and have that ombre effect.
You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch.
Now I'm taking the shade Diva from the Jaclyn Hill palette on just this flat brush, and I'm just going to start to pack that onto my eyelid.
Your soul is an appalling dump heap, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up in...
I'm going back into the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade Guac, and I'm just going to apply that right on the center of my eyelid over the shade Diva from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this just will help make the center of the eye pop out and give kind of a halo effect. I really love the way this eye look turned out. I thought it was so pretty, and I just loved the darker shimmer green on the outer corners and the light shimmer green on the the center of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the shade Social Blade, and I'm just working that onto my lower lash line with a Urban Decay Naked Palette brush. Now I'm going in with the Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Emerald, and I'm just working that onto my waterline. Then I'm going to blend out my waterline using the shade Daddy on a Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush. And then I'm taking a little bit more of Social Blade, and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line just in case we lost any of that color. Then I'm taking the Salon Perfect lashes in the style 614, and I'm double stacking them, so I just took 2 of the lashes and put them together and popped them on my eyes. Now I'm going in with the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade White, and I'm applying that to my inner corners as a base for the shade In Light from the Jaclyn Hill palette on a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm just popping that onto my inner corners, and it ended up looking really cool. It kind of mixed a little bit with the green and gave this greenish bluish tint to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer on my little Benefit Hula brush, and I'm going to contour / bronze my cheekbones and my jawline.
You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You nauseate me,
I'm adding that bronzer to my forehead using a Luxie 522 brush.
Your heart is full of unwashed socks, your soul is full of junk.
I'm blending out my bronzer using my Morphe M437 brush just to make sure everything's nice and blended and we have no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with my translucent powder on my beauty blender to bake my face so that everything can be nice and precise. And I did want to mention that I did contour my nose off camera. I just thought I'd leave it out. I thought maybe it was easier, but let me know if you prefer me leaving that in the video or if you prefer me doing it off camera. For highlight, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics Highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and I'm using it on a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm just highlighting all the major areas of my face. I love this highlighter, and I think it's perfect for any holiday looks. And I'm adding that highlighter to the tip of my nose using a Morphe E36 brush. For blush, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics blush in the shade Dallas on a Sonia Kashuk No. 113 brush. I'm wiping away my bake using a Morphe M437 brush, and I'm also running that brush along the rest of my face just to make sure everything is blended nicely together and that we have no harsh lines. Then I'm going to set my face using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray.
You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel.
Moving on to my lips, I'm using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. If you have a red lip liner, you could totally use red. I don't have a red lip liner, but I do find that a dark brown lip liner pairs well with the red. So I'm just using what I have.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch, you're a tarzan.
And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. This is my favorite red liquid lipstick, and it's perfect for Christmas time, and it's perfect for this very, very, very Christmassy look.
I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole.
This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love the way this makeup look turned out. It's very Christmassy. It's totally inspired by the Grinch. That's what I was going for. I was actually watching the movie while I filmed this tutorial. I wanted to do green eyes and then red lips for his heart, or red lips for when he wears the Santa suit, but whatever, it can be a Christmas as fuck makeup tutorial because it is very Christmassy. If you were to wear this out, people would know you mean Christmas. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I had a lot of fun creating it, and I really love the way the look turned out. Really quickly, I do want to talk about my giveaway. I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel, and it's very simple. All you have to do to enter is go down to my description box, and the first thing that will be in my description box will be the link to enter the giveaway. All you do is click on that link, add your name and your email, and it will verify that you're subscribed to me. And that's it. That's all you have to do. The only thing you have to do is be subscribed to me. Go ahead and give this video a like and leave a comment on this video telling me what kind of makeup looks or tutorials or what kind of videos you are hoping to see me create on my channel. And then you can have 2 bonus entries if you follow me on Instagram or follow me on Twitter, but those are bonus entries. You don't have to follow me. And that's also, please make sure you enter my giveaway before it ends. All the information about the giveaway will be in my description box, like I said, just in case I missed anything or if you think you missed anything, everything will be down there. It's very simple, very easy to follow. Good luck to everyone who enters. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!